Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the project app in Odoo. The project app is a powerful tool designed to help you efficiently manage your project, track tasks, and collaborate with your team. Whether you are handling a single project or juggling multiple ones, this app has the features you need to stay organized and on track. This is what the project environment looks like. To access the project environment, come to this icon here, the home menu, and click on it. This is the icon you'll be able to use to access any app on the system. So you come to projects and click on project, and it will bring you to this environment. Now in the project app, there are already numerous projects that have been created on the system, and through the project app you can see various departments that RA Real Estate has. From this place, you can also see how many tasks that each project has. To create a project, you'd come to this icon here and click on new. When you click on new, it will bring this dialog box for you. So you can fill in the name of the project and fill in the email you want this project to reflect in. You can put in maybe HR or IT or whatever departments that this project is concerned with, and then you click on create project. So when you create a project, the people that are concerned with that project will be notified. Now, different tasks can be created inside a project. To create task, there are two ways to create task. You can create task inside a project, but you cannot create project inside a task. So the first way to create task is to come to this task icon here and click on it. When you click on it, you'd see my task and all tasks. Click on all task. It will bring you to this environment. So when it brings you to this environment, you click on new, and then it will bring you to this place. So this is where you create a task. You can come in and put in the task title or the name of the task, and you can come here and let's put in the name of the task here. Let's say um, train staff. So I've put in the name of this task. Then you come in and put in the project in which this task is supposed to be under. So let me put it under human resources. So human resources is already a project that has been created. So click on human resources. So when you put in the name of the project, you can now assign task to anybody you want this task to be assigned to. This task has already been assigned automatically by this user. Then you can come in and allocate time. You can come in and allocate time for this task. So I've put in that okay, this task supposed to take 5 hours to create. Then you can put in deadline. You can put in deadline. Let's say deadline is set for 30th, and then you click on apply. So time has been allocated to this task and deadline has been allocated to this task. So after creating that, you come to the description area and you fill in the description for this task. Description area is where you put in informations about a particular task and put in what you want to be done concerning the task or what you want to be done about the task. After putting in the description, you'd come here and save the task. So this task has been saved under human resources because that is where we created the task. Another way to create task is to come to the project directly that you want to create the task inside. For instance, human resources that we just created a task inside. When you come to this place, you click on human resources, and then it will bring you to this environment where you have um, various tasks inside human resources department. This is the task we just created, train staff. So when you create a project, when you create a task rather, it will come to the project in which you created the task inside, and it will come to the new stage. All these are stages. We have new stage, ideas, in progress, ongoing, under review, complete. Those are stages. Now you can, after coming here, you can click on new. When you click on new, you can come here and add task title. Let's say train. When you add your task title, you can come to assignees and assign the task to anybody you want, and then you click on add. When you click on add, you can now open up the task to start editing the task and putting in description about the task. For instance, this one, I can come here and put in description and say train train your staffs. Then whoever has been assigned to follow this task will be able to get information that, okay, in this task I'm supposed to train staffs. Then while working on a task, you can decide to add followers. You can decide to add followers to the task so that everybody that are following the task will be notified. Or maybe when you're putting in messages regarding the task, when you're updating the log notes, everybody following the task can be able to see what's going on in the task. So you can come here and click on this icon here, this human icon here. When you click on it, you'll be able to add followers. You can click on add followers, and it will bring you to this dialog box. So you can add any other person you want to follow this task. Let's say I'm adding this person to follow this task. So this is the message that will be attached to this task, or to this follow invite. So whoever it is that you're sending this follow invite to will receive this message. Then after adding the person, you click on add followers, and then they'll be added automatically to follow this task. So um whatever updates you're dropping on this task, all followers will be able to see. Now when you're working on a task, you might want to send message regarding the task or leave updates. So you can either make use of the send message button or use the log note button. To send message, click on send message and type in whatever update it is you have regarding the task that you're working on. You can add emojis, you can attach a file. When you click on this icon, it will bring you to what you have in your computer. So you can select whatever it is you want to attach. When you select it, click on open, and you then click on send. When you click on send, everybody that are following this everybody following this task will be able to get the task, will be able to get the information. Or you can click on log notes. You can click on log notes, and you can tag whoever it is you want to talk to directly. You can tag any of your team members directly. Just click on the at button or on your keyboard, and then click on whoever it is you're trying to talk to directly. So that is how to make use of the log notes and send message on the system. So when you are working on a particular task and you are done working on a particular task, you can come to this timesheet here and record how many hours you spent on a task. For instance, let's say um, This task, they already told you that it is 5 hours that you need to work on this task, and there's already a deadline. You can come here and click on add a line. When you click on add a line, it will automatically bring your name out. It will bring out your name out, and then you can put in the description on what you've done on the task. Say I trained staff, and then you can put in how many hours that you spent working on this task. After putting in how many hours, you come here and save manually. When you click on save, so everything has been saved on the system. So that is how to make use of um, the project app, and that is how to create task and assign task to your team members. It is very important that you assign task so that everybody that is responsible for making that task to move forward, they can be notified on time and get their tasks done. So that is how to make use of the Odoo task.